Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make chicken nihari, and this is like one of the favorite dish people love to eat in Pakistan, and they especially go at some places like a restaurant or a market nearby to buy this recipe specially. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I've taken half cup of oil. With that, I'm going to add one onion, and now I'm going to mix it with the help of a spoon until it turns out to be brown. We're going to fry it until it turns out to be brown. With that, I'm going to take one tomato and I'm going to add it once the onions are fried well. So with the help of a wooden spoon, I am going to mix all these ingredients quite well. Now I am going to add garlic paste about 1 teaspoon, and again I am going to mix it so that it does not stick with the pan. So mixing is really important, otherwise it will get burned and stick with the pan. Now I am going to add green chili sauce and some coriander powder and turmeric powder and salt. You can add it according to your taste, and green chilies. I've chopped the green chilies. You can add spices according to your taste because some people like to add more spices, some people like to add less. With that, I'm adding red chili powder and some nihari masala powder. Now I'm going to mix it again well. With that, I've taken some chicken which I've washed before quite well, and now I'm going to add it like about 1 kg of chicken and add. Now we are going to let it turn white. Once it's going to turn white, then we will move towards the next part. So mixing is quite important in any recipe. Now mix it quite well. While I'm mixing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So as you can see, it has started to turn white. Now we're going to mix it quite well, and now once the chicken turns out white in color, then we will add water for gravy. And once you're going to add water for gravy, this will be like near to the recipe. So mix it again quite well and let it get boiled. And we're going to cover it with the help of a lid and let it boil for a few minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes. And once there is just most of the water evaporated, then we will add white flour about half cup, and yeah, we are going to add it in it with the help of adding water and mixing it. I'm going to add some water in it and I'm going to mix it and make it a liquidy form. So with the help of a spoon, I'm going to mix and make it a smooth paste, and then I'm going to add it in our mixture of gravy and nihari. Pour it gradually and stir it well so that there are no lumps in it. Now I'm going to mix it quite well with the help of a wooden spoon so that it does not stick to the pan again. I'm using a wooden spoon onto a non-stick pan and cook it well for 3 to 4 minutes, and then you're ready to go. So this is all we can say that nihari is made up of. I'm going to cover it with the help of a lid again and wait for a few minutes. And once you will see the oil is separated, then you can say that it is cooked well. So we're going to cook it unless the oil is separated, and you can see the oil has been separated. Now I'm going to again mix it. This is ready to be eaten. Now you can serve it in front of your guests, and do try this recipe. So eat it with roti, naan, tortilla wrap, or whatever you want to eat it with. But most of people love to eat it with naan, rogni naan, or whatever you want to eat it. So do try this recipe at home and serve it in front of your guests. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed it. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So if you have any query related to any video, just comment down in the comment section and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. So do enjoy this recipe. So I will be bringing new and new recipes for you guys. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.